In this video, I'll show you how to quickly correct link tagging when the link annotations have been tagged, but they are placed in the wrong tag type. I've run my verification in PDFix desktop in the document view, and I can see that I have a number of links in the document that are not tagged in link tags. In fact, the error says that they are tagged in span tags instead of link tags. In this case, using the action to tag annotations won't actually solve the issue because the annotations have already been tagged. They're just in the wrong tag type. So in this scenario, what I can do is I can select all of the links that have this issue and then right click on them or use the keyboard shortcut if you have one to find the tag that they're in. And then in the tag tree, I notice that I've got a number of span tags selected. I can go down to the tag properties and in the tag type, simply double click and change this to link. When I hit enter, I get the dialog box telling me that I'm going to change a number of tags all at once and asking me if I really want to do that. I do, so I'm going to hit OK. And then now I have link tags in my tag tree where I used to have span tags. If I revalidate my document now, I can see that that issue has been addressed. Everything else is okay, and my document now passes. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. If you are outside the US, please reach out to us at support@pdfix.net. And if you're in the US, reach out to us at sales@pdfix-us.com. Thanks.